Oh.
It is, but it's not running. It's coming.
What?
You said it's coming?
I can't see anything.
Oh, it's hard.
I can't see.
Now. There you go. There you go. I went all the way in.
Okay, perfect.
Down. Down. Now the powder went all the way in, and the sticks they went in. Now we're spraying it. That's running.
Yeah, they're really going. on?
Hello, Eric. They're removing bees.
Oh, yeah.
Or-
Hive in there?
Yep, there's a hive right up there. You can see them swarming. Come take a look at the right vent up there.
Oh, wow. Is that going inside the house?
Well, I don't know. I just texted Ashley,
Yeah.
occupant, and she thinks I've got the wrong number. So I thought I'd come out and video it.
No.
I don't know that makes any difference, but
I know I've been seeing a lot of dead bees on the ground over here.
oh, I don't think I've noticed. Yeah. Yeah, it's been about 10 years since outside your bedroom wall there was a hive.
What does it look like?
Maybe like 12 years. But it was actually behind the wall. Well, I didn't see the hive, but, I saw when they came and they removed it. So, I don't know who reported it. It wasn't Ashley. She doesn't seem to know anything about it, but...
Do you know if it's closed off at the top?
I don't know. I've not been inside my attic. I've got a panel door to the top.
No, the top,
But,
the top of the house, or the building. The top of the building. Is it open, or is it?
It's flat top. I've not seen it, but there's like an attic of sorts up there. So, yeah. Yeah, well, thank you.
How long have these condos been here?
The condos, about 2005 is, I think, when they were built. I moved in here in February of 2007, and they were about 2 years old then.
Oh, they seem so new.
Oh, yeah, well, they're doing a pretty good job of keeping them up, but they need to repaint. They're trying to get the money for repaint.
Around, a couple months ago from a flower pot.
Say again?
We removed bees from right over here a couple months ago from a flower pot that they had down here.
Oh, from a flower pot, huh?
A big round ball.
Okay. Yeah, I was just telling my downstairs neighbor Eric here that about a dozen years ago, in the south end, there was a hive actually in the wall.
Oh, wow.
And and then I got to thinking, well, yeah, there was like a big swarm. Must have been 1,000 of them off my balcony, and then they vanished. And maybe that's where they went, or
Yeah.
I really didn't know where they went. But anyway.
What'd you guys spray up in there?
We put 4 different poisons up there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then there's some little, like we dropped on, I'm glad you said that. These little strips that look like Velveeta cheese that they last for about 5 months.
Huh.
But the bees leave pheromones behind that'll stay behind for years.
Yeah.
So a lot of times you'll get bees in the same spot a year later.
Uh-huh. Oh, we don't mind me videoing it. I know the owner. She's got it up for rent. Ashley the Kettle. She doesn't seem to know anything about this. So.
Price and Associates?
No. She's got this up for rent now. She bought it about 2.5 years ago and was living here, but now she's got it up for rent. I guess she bought it. Actually, I thought she was renting herself, but that's her phone number up there.
Yeah.
So.
Who hired us?
Okay, Kreitz. Yeah, they're the condo association people. Now, Eric, you're a renter too, right?
I am.
Yeah.
So how did you find out about the bees?
Price and Associates called us.
So,
I guess-
They're the company in town that does the
HOA?
management
Oh, okay.
of the place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, they're still there, but coming around. One came and bothered me for a while, and I was thinking maybe I need to run. But, okay. Well,
But by this time tomorrow, they should be gone.
okay then. Yeah. All right.